Hey, it's Eran here. I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to use the grid that I created, which is on Airtable. And I wanted to explain a little bit about what this grid is about and how to make the most out of it. So this grid is basically my process step by step when I do coaching with people one-on-one to take them through the beginner to the online world to actually building and setting up an online business and getting the initial struggles of beginners out of the way by doing it together. Okay, so the process with how this works is you'll notice that there is the first section is business strategy. And the first thing is the funnel structure, i.e., what is your free product, your lead magnet? What is your front end product? What is your high ticket service? What is your subscription? What is your value ladder? What is the structure of your funnel? What is your customer journey? What is your follow up process? Then there is the offer packaging, which is this section is all about what is your hook story offer? What is the sales content for your sales copy? What bonuses are you offering? What guarantee do you have? What makes you different? How do you stand out? How do you position your offer in a way that's irresistible and creating a sales video and scripting that video? That's all about offer packaging. The third point is this is applicable to some, not always to everybody, and that is all about choosing the right software for your business. So I've got a very specific process on how to choose the right software with people and stuff like that, and I usually would do that for free as a consultation. So if you haven't already figured out what you want to use, then this will actually help you do that. In addition to this section, you go right here to this tab called Course Membership Software Choices. And you can actually fill out all the answers to these questions, right? Which are a lot of really good questions. Even if you've already chosen the software, you might be wise to actually just go through and literally go through the survey and answer all of these. This will kind of open up your eyes to all the possibilities. How do you charge? What is your pricing? Who's your ideal customer? Who's your target audience? And so on and so forth. All these questions, even though you may have already chosen your software, this will actually be extremely helpful for you. So I do recommend you go through, and the way you do it is you simply, let's say, who is your ideal customer? You go right here to notes and you actually type, my ideal customer is blah, 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 okay? And put the information. So that's what I recommend you do. Now let's go back to the business strategy. Here, you then get to the branding side. Okay, do you have a logo? If so, upload it right here. Do you have a favicon? Now, a favicon, by the way, is this little guy right here, this little symbol. And that is my favicon. Now, if you were to look at, let's say, Facebook or YouTube, so Facebook is this favicon, okay? If you want to look at Canva, for example, this is their favicon, and so on and so forth, okay? So that is something for branding. This is the Airtable favicon. So you want to add that data. What is your brand color? So you want to put whatever your brand colors is, and I'm talking about the actual color hex, not just, oh, I like purple or whatever, but actually the colors that you're going to choose specifically, okay? So that's one thing that you can look at. So for example, if you were to go and look here, you actually want to look through Canva and choose your exact colors. So let me just show you an example, like right here. Choose your color and so on. And then this will be your color hex right here, okay? What is your font? Again, you can go to Canva and actually choose what your font is. So go to text, click on heading or whatever, and then you can look here and look at all the different fonts you have and choose which font you want to be your business font, okay? And also here, you want to upload any professional photos in your marketing. You want to upload that right here, and any other photos you want to include in the website, okay? So that's that. The next thing is specifically sales pages. Now, if you have more than one product, you can actually click right here on this guy and click on duplicate table. Click on this, so it's green, and click on duplicate table. Now, the reason you want to do that is because you might want to have a sales copy for a different product, okay? I'm not going to do anything with that right this second, but I just wanted to show you how to do that. So let's go back to the proper one. Now, here you will see, first of all, a PDF for me, which is a sales page template on how to write a sales page. Now, this is not based on a template that I came up with from somebody else. I actually wrote a sales page just off the top of my head. The sales page did well. I got sales, and I created a template based on that. So this is specifically to pre-sell a course, but it's applicable to pretty much anything. So there's a lot of information here on what to do and so on. and you're welcome to read it. Okay. Now, based on the sales page template, I then wrote these things. So, for example, the headline. Type in here, what is the headline? Okay. So, helping beginners avoid the technology overwhelm by setting up all their basic tech for them and with them so they can launch fast and save weeks of procrastination. Let's just say, I'm just making it up. I mean, that's like kind of what I do, sort of thing. Okay, so you could put that here. Hook, why they should read this page. Okay, so for example, you would type in this page, I will reveal 3 secrets to blah blah blah. Okay, so do something like that. Okay, I'll delete this because you don't need it. And then sales video, again, give the information. Sales video, call to action. Who is this course for? Who is it not for? Course expectation and filtering. So repeat who is this course for and what's expected. Benefits of the course, features, benefits, what they're going to get. And then here is the case study testimonial. So here you could type what they said. So they said, Eran helped me with my business. So whatever the testimonial that people wrote, okay? So you want to do something like that. And then if you have a photo, you can upload the photo of the person right here. What I do personally is I actually copy and paste the testimonials that people have actually written for me. So for example, I'm just going to find one of the testimonials that I have right here. Let me just find testimonial. Okay, so here you go, testimonial. And then I upload the actual testimonial. So then that can be used as part of the sales page. Okay, so you can always view what it actually looks like. And here it is. Okay, so you can do all that and do that testimonial with testimonial. If you want to add more testimonials, just click on here, click on duplicate, and it will do another one. Frequently asked questions. What are the different questions you get asked? Okay, so write the question, write the answer. Do you offer refunds? No, I do not, or whatever the information is. Okay. Bonuses, include your bonuses. Bold guarantee, say what your guarantee is. Your favicon, upload it. Logo, upload it. Images for the sales page, color hex. Okay. Next, course structure. If you're setting up an online course and you want to map out a specific course or courses, again, you can duplicate this so you can create more than one course. And then here, the modules are working this way. So first of all, here is the information. So the topic. So module 1, let's just say choosing the right software. Okay, that's the name of that particular video or training section. That's part of module 1. Okay. You can then choose what type of content is that going to be. Is it going to be a PDF, checklist, audio, or video? Okay. And then content to cover. What will you cover in this particular section and so on. So this is really designed to kind of map out your funnel. And then you can choose module 1, module 1, module 1. So all these things will be module 1. All these things will be module 2 and so on. Okay. So this is up to you to kind of figure out how you want to do it and map up your course. This is the website homepage. This is usually something that I do custom, okay, with people. And the simplicity is basically pick a website that you like and then use what they created and basically model it to create your own website. I got a full training on website and setting up the website and website foundations. So if you want to learn more about that, just subscribe to my email list and join my Facebook group, and you'll probably get it there. Either it's going to be paid, either it'll be free, but the training will be there. The last thing is a run session time. Now, this is what I use with people when I work with them. So first of all, I usually do like a free session up front to start with. And then I do session 1, session 2, and so on. Now, what I go through is, first of all, what we accomplished. So I type in here what we discussed. If there's any attachments that go with the conversation, like if we map out something on Canva, I will upload it here. The date of the session. I always record the session, upload it to YouTube as unlisted, which means it's not visible to everybody. It's only visible to you. And then you can actually refer back to it. And I type how long the session was and the status that it's now done. And then we always schedule the next session. Okay. So that's kind of my process. And then we always have post-session instructions. So you can actually go through and see what the steps are between now and the next session, so we can actually get things done and make the next session super, super productive. Okay. So that's my coaching process. It's really simple. You can learn more about it on this sales page, okay, where you'll see a video explaining everything. You'll see the testimonials. You'll see everything that I do, the different things that I can help you with and stuff like that, my pricing, and also frequently asked questions. All the pricing is covered right here, so you can check it out. Okay, so this grid is essentially what you can actually do it on your own and do your own process and go and figure it out on your own. Or if you want to work with me one-on-one, then this grid is what I usually follow to actually work with you. So that's about it. Hope you got value from this. Go ahead and use this grid as you see fit, whether it's a one-on-one with me or do it on yourself, do it your own. I'm all good. I'm easy either way. It's just important to me that you actually make use of it and get value and build your business and have success. That's about it for me. Thanks a lot. I'll speak to you soon.